Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you what I did on my lovely prom client. I asked her can I record, and this is what we got. So what I did was clean up her brows first because they were wild, y'all. Then I went ahead and tamed them with some clear brow gel from Anastasia and put some powder on her brow, so therefore it won't look shiny. What I'm doing is I'm taking my Anastasia brow in ebony, and then I also went ahead and took my Anastasia pencil, my brow wiz pencil in the shade chocolate, and filled the front end just lightly. I basically just outlined her brows slightly while using my hand as small strokes, and I concealed them with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45 with a MAC 212 brush. Using my Plouise Base is what I'm doing, and then I blended it out with my Zoeva 142 Concealer Buffer Brush so that everything can be smooth and even, ready for the eyeshadows to be applied. The first shade that I'm going in with is out of my Morphe 39A palette. If y'all have this palette, it's the dark blue in that palette. And I'm taking my 1C7 brush from Morphe and packing out on the outer V part of her lid. Now y'all already know I love this brush. Any brush would do, but I just stay using my 1C7 brush. So I'm doing that on both eyes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, first I'm going to start off with my MAC, I forgot the brush, I think it's 221 or 2 something like that. And I just basically applied this brown shade and I'm swirling it, but that's this new method that I learned from Beauty by Melissa where you just basically tap to get the pigment and everything is going to blend. So just pat it and blend it, and then I'm switching brushes like occasionally. So I switched back to ABH Cosmetics brush, I think that's number 6, and I'm just basically patting. So you see I'm patting and then everything is blending out perfectly. So that's what you want to do. And then for my last color, what I did was took a light brown and basically put it on her brow bone. To ensure my colors are blended, what I did was go back in with 2 colors. The first color that I laid down, the second one, to make sure everything is blended. And then now it's cutting time. I went in with my Plouise Base number 4, and I cut this crease with a C469 from Crown brushes, y'all. She really liked this look. I loved it. I just wish I could have did the lip better. You're going to see the lip in a second, well, when I get done with the face, but everything else was perfect. Like, that cut, like, look at that. Ooh, baby. Alright, so I did go ahead and put some brown on her lid to make it an ombre effect. And these are the Jaclyn Hill brushes. These are asset brushes. And I also went in with my Inglot gel liner in number 77. And also I did go in with Wet n Wild's black liner on top of it to kind of make it straight. So for shadow, what I did use, I didn't say before, I used my Urban Decay shadows. They will be listed in the description right below. And I used NYX Cosmetics glitters. Now what I'm doing is taking Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to apply some lashes. She likes short lashes, so that's what I did. I went ahead and applied those, and we're going to move on to the face. So the same thing I do to my face, the same thing I do to everybody's face that comes to me and sit in my chair. But she is basically like the same color as me, so I use the same thing that I use on myself. Same routine, same method. Everything is alike. So everything will be in the description right below. I just want you to watch how I slay this face.
So pretty. Like, I can't believe you're so tall. Like, I really can. This is so good.
Thank you. Okay.
Briana's liquid lipstick in the shade Unveil. And I went ahead and put some nude in the center, and then I topped it off with Krylon lip gloss. And that's the lip. We're gonna change the lip, but that's okay. She loved it. So I hope that y'all enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.